Hey everyone, and welcome to an MRE unboxing video. I've done one of these in a little while, but this is a Z-Ration zombie MRE I got a while ago from allmres.com. It's going to be getting to the inspection point pretty soon, so I want to see what we got in here so I can start mixing and matching some of my more long-term food storage and rations. So I'm probably not going to be doing any eating in this video, but let's just see what we got in here and maybe give you guys some ideas and what they got scattered around. So let's get started. And allmres.com is really cool. So yeah, I created my own, like I said, it's a little while ago, so I don't really remember what's in here, but we got Mexican style stew, which is really good, and also rice and vegetables. We got a little pull tab here. All right. All packaged nicely in there. Must be the FRH. Yep. Got the flameless ration heater. We got dried fruit mix. Oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie. Ooh. I don't think I've seen one of these before. White wheat snack bread, awesome. I do prefer the snack bread over the crackers. Plain tortillas. So I'm assuming I also probably have peanut butter in here. What they have with the tortillas. This. Okay, then I got 3 different types of Tabasco. I got the Chipotle, Original, and Jalapeno. Awesome. So that'd be good for some Mexican stew, the entree. Which, funny enough, here's one of them, but this is the rice and vegetables. Let's see. We are at the 178th day of 2022. Okay, not as old as I thought, but getting there. Here's the Mexican style chicken stew. See what's in there. Oh no. Let's see, we got the 271st day of 2022. Okay. We got our plasticware and napkin. Oh, yep, jalapeno cheese spread, which is always good with like the snack bread. Orange carbohydrate electrolyte beverage powder. Oh, filled French toast for a quick breakfast. So I tried to make this like usually I try to make these like almost 24-hour rations. So got breakfast, lunch, dinner in here, and snack. And then got some fruit punch with vitamin C. And then the rice and vegetables. And just showing you and I filmed this incorrectly again.